Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenue sur channel moi. So today guys, I'm going to show you how I make seafood bouillon, Haitian seafood bouillon and fried rice. So nous pral faire yon bouillon crabe et Diri Jadinier. C'est ça nous pral faire aujourd'hui dans recipe ça. So like you guys seeing on the video, I show you guys all the seasoning I use. So moi toujours montrer tout seasoning moi mette yo parce que moi pas citer non yo tellement. So if you guys have a question, you want to know what is it, just ask me on the section below. Just comment and ask me, I will tell you. So ta bezwen konon bagay, just mandem. De pou mandem ni, mabdou sa mette ya ki sa liye. So this is garlic I just put, and I put a little bit oil. Moi me put un ti lay, et puis moi met un ti l'huile. So this is the crab. I put some lemon juice, and we're gonna use half of lemon. So moi met un ti jus citron, et puis moi utilise un bon citron juste pour mettre un petit feeling sous le crabe là pour pas tellement sentir gris parce que crabe ça est déjà tout bon pour manger comme ça presque. So I just using it. I don't put that much because I know the crab is already ready to eat, but we're gonna put it on it just for a little bit more of the smell and more taste. That's why we add a little bit of lemon and then a half of lemon, the fresh one. So now I'm cleaning my crabs, okay guys? C'est konya ma petit m'a nettoyer crab là, c'est ça m'a fait. So don't forget guys, this channel is for you guys. You have to share the video, subscribe, and help me grow. And when you help me, you help Haitian food. You say you love Haitian food. Lo aide m partager ou share vidéo a, c'est du reme manger haïtien. Et ou reme sa map fè a, ou reme supporter cuisine haïtien. So s'il vous plaît, aidez-nous grandir, partagez, abonnez, ba nous un like et leavez un commentaire pour nous. Okay? Leave a comment for us guys, okay? Quittez un commentaire pour nous si ça nous besoin famille. Please supportez nous. So after that, I'm gonna rinse it again. So I wash it twice, okay? I rinse my crab twice. Moi lave l 2 fois, c'est ça moi fait. Juste pour étirer ti sang. Tu connais parfois pour ça you kon glisse, you kon gen ti bagay sou yo. So I put one of the Maggi cube. So moi put un grain Maggi. C'est comme ça moi fait, okay? And then I add a little bit salt and then taste. Always taste. So I don't say how much seasoning I put in there, but the only thing you guys have to do is taste. That's how we Asian cook. We don't measure the stuff. We just taste and know what is it. If it's good, if you need to add a little bit more. When you taste your food, that's how you know. So nous connaissons nous même haïtiens non pas vraiment mesurer, c'est seulement goûter non goûter. So non goûter pour nous connaître si bagala bon et puis si besoin de crasse encore nous ajouter. So nous mettez seasoning yo avec cœur, non c'est cœur non utiliser. We using our heart to add the seasoning, okay guys? So your heart will tell you how much seasoning to put in there. This is the sausage. It's spicy. I show you guys. It look good in there. It looks so good, the spicy sausage. So saucisse moi utiliser a son saucisse qui piqué parce que il est vraiment bon. Moi qu'on achète déjà et les goût. So this is it guys. Now moi mettez pomme de terre bouillie, okay? The potato. So this is potato that was boiled on a pan. The same pan I boil my corn with the eggs. This is green pepper and yellow pepper, so we're gonna use it for our vegetable fried rice. So n'a pral utiliser ti piment sa yo pour nous faire Diri Jadinier. So na video sa nous gen 2 recipe non fait. So we have 2 recipe on this video. So we make 2 recipe on this video. So one is boiled crabs and the other one is fried rice. Nous fait yon bouillon crab et yon Diri Jadinier. OK? C'est comme ça nous fait. So qu'on y a moins raché petit piment douce moins bien raché et puis nous allons commencer avec Diri Jadinier, guys. OK? So this is viande salée. So the viande salée, I think you guys call salted pig, but this one is, I cut it a little bit thinner. Okay, so I'm coupe ça au tout petit. So this one, this is the tomato. After I put the viande salée, so I use tomato, and then I'm gonna use the mixed bean. We use mixed bean and sausage, shrimp, and crabs. That's all we're gonna put on this fried rice and vegetable. Okay, guys, so this is it. I show you guys the plate and you guys already saw what is it. Okay, all this onion, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, it's all we add in there. Okay, guys, so pas oublier partager vidéo, abonner. That's the green bean I use. So this one have the bean, the corn, and carrots. That's the one I use. So c'est ça qui gagne pois, maïs, carottes. C'est ça moi utiliser. So c'est petit pois ça moi utiliser là-dedans. Okay, guys? So this is tomato paste. Moi utilise un petit pas tomate là-dedans. Et puis moi pas mettre l'enfant parce que parfois l'on mette li coufine frit bay ça on va mettre pois li gon intention brûler, c'est ça que fait moi faire comme ça. So this is the crabs and the shrimp I was talking about. So now we add it in there. We add the shrimp and the crabs and we're gonna cover it and let it stay for a little bit, for like 10 to 5 minutes, not too long. And then I didn't use the cabbage. If you guys want, you can use cabbage. So this one, this is or you can use the spinach. Okay, so pas vle, so gen chou, ou capable utiliser chou, ou capable utiliser épinards. But moi-même, c'est fait ça, moi te gagné sur les liens, c'est ça moi utilisé. OK, ça c'est presque tant que c'est cresson qu'à manger le comme ça ou bien on mette la manger. So c'est ça que fait c'est li moi utiliser. OK, guys, and then on va le couvrir. So let me fin mettre ça, moi couvrir. So after I add this, I cover it. I put my coconut milk. This is a coconut milk for cook. So we guys use it on fried rice, all those stuff. Okay, guys, so mon kon utilise lan tout bagay sa yo, c'est li même moi utiliser. Then I add more garlic because garlic is good. When you put garlic in your food, it's very good. So moi mette garlic parce que garlic bon en pile pour manger, et moi mette un petit cube Maggi. Okay, one of the cube Maggi. Then I mix my yellow rice with white rice so it can be a little bit better. Because when I cook the yellow rice simply without add white rice, I feel like it's too much. It's kind of a little bit dry. So I like to mix it. So that's why I add some white rice to it. Moi, mette du riz jaune, non, du riz chaudé, mêlé avec du riz blanc. Moi, remène cuit comme ça parce qu'il me paraît mais pour le paraître trop raide. Moi, remène pour l'anti gens lâché. So, c'est comme ça moi fait. Et puis, moi, boisel, même pas le mettre trop l'eau. So I'm not gonna put that much water because when you put too much water, when you put your fried rice before you put water, you have to do the water light. Don't put too much water in there. If you put a lot of water, guess what? The rice is not gonna be the way you want it. It's gonna be too smush. It's gonna be too soft. So you want it to be a little bit hard, but not too hard, okay? So, pas mettre trop d'eau, là, non mettre du riz à frit avant non mettre de l'eau. Non supposé mettre de l'eau à pipiti, c'est comme ça moi fait. Then I put some rosemary, qui c'est romarin, et puis moi mette un petit parsley, qui c'est persil, et moi mette ensemble, and then m'utiliser thym, qui c'est thyme. So c'est ça yo moi utiliser là dans avant de mettre du riz à tout fait couverte là, c'est yo même moi te mette, and then I put a hot pepper bouillon on it. Moi mette un gros piment vert là dedans tout. So look at it, guys. This isn't Miami, guys. Isn't it? Very nice and very yummy. So this a vraiment belle et li vraiment goût. Guys, si nou fè li, nou ta ese resipi sa, jan nou wèm fè la, ou bien nou mette chou au lieu de cabbage. So fèm konnen, si nou remen, fèm konnen. Just tell me, say I try it, or if you guys used to make it before, say I used to make it and it's good like that. So kon fè manje sa deja, ou remen, just la gon komante, ou remen fè manje sa yo kon sa deja yo bon. Ok, fami myo, mwen remen nou, mwen apresye nou, so kontinye gade video. So I blend a little bit parsley, a little bit of rosemary, qui c'est romarin, and then I put some sweet pepper. I put both of them, the yellow and the green, and I put some garlic, and not some garlic, I put a lot of garlic in there, guys. Then I blend them together, okay? I blend them together like a Haitian seasoning. So c'est ça mwen fè. Mwen blende romarin, tout bagay sa yo m'sot resite ya, mwen blende yo ensemble pour m'fonti épice haïtien pour m'mette nan crab la. C'est ça mwen fè. So if you guys like seafood bouillon, you do it like that, it's gonna be good. So this is all the seasoning I use. Is garlic, it's cayenne pepper, I use the red lobster seasoning, and I use the all bay seasoning. That was all I put in there. C'est tout ça yo mwen mette. Seasoning sa yo non tande m'di yan, se yo mwen mette. Sinon sa yo gen sou yo. Okay, fami myo? And then don't forget, you can't boil your seafood without put a little bit of sugar on it, because it make it taste so good. Okay, guys? So this is green pepper and the stuff I put on it again. But since I like, when I do seafood, my family like to drink the water. They like it. It tastes so good. So I put more sauce of the same seafood I boil. So I add it in there. So the seafood I boil, this is the water, okay? The one that was boiled, the crabs, all the stuff. Sa ou d'lo sa nou wè mette ya, c'est li même qui saute bouilli, crab, cribiche, tout bagay yo. Then I add a tiny bit ketchup for taste, guys. It's very good. If you guys do that seafood like this, it will be taste so good. Trust me. Si nou fè seafood sa kon sa la vraiment bon, vraiment goût. Wa bouè d'lo atan kou se sauce. You know why I'm laughing, guys? Because my grandma said, I said, do you want to eat, grandma? What you want? You want some rice? But it was a white rice in the house, so I have a leftover seafood. And she said, no, I don't want rice. I don't feel like I eat rice. I don't want rice with legim right now. So I said, oh, you're not hungry. If you was hungry, you would have eat legim and rice, because I don't know what you want. And then after a while, she said, I feel so hungry. I said, stop complaining. Why are you feeling? You say you're so hungry. And she said, maybe if you got some leftover seafood, I would have eaten it. It would have been good. I feel like Grandma always wants the seafood again because she liked the sauce. And I said, you don't even have teeth. Why you like the crab like that? Because she have to smash it with a spoon. And she said, I like it because the sauce is so good. You hear that, guys? Gran mwen remen paske sauce la goût. Et puis li di mse crab li ta manje l pa remen, li pa bezwen diri a legim. So, mpa kapab an nou story sa pou montre non koman ti crab sa bon. So, si li pa bezwen diri a legim, li pa gran goût, ba il pa manje le bi. Se salve se crab bouilli al zantil ta manje pou la boued l'eau. Et puis il dit, li bon, non, li bon. Pas de ti pomme de terre encore. Là, je viens de la derrière crab là, me dit, des crab, gros crab, yo te rete. Il dit, ma pomme, comment pas de ti pomme de terre encore, ni pas de gain. Il était bon mon nom pour saucisson. Et puis m'blié, non te bon pour saucisson. Okay, guys, this is it. Love you guys. Please subscribe, abonnez. Ok? Moi remè nou. Abonnez et partagez. Look at it, guys. It looks so yummy. And it tastes good. Bisous, guys. Love you. And please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And if you love this family, be part of the family, okay? Si nou reme famille sa, vin nan famille. Et la m'a reme nou pi please, guys. Paske mwen reme komante an ba video yo. M senti nou manke komante. M senti nou manke dim jan nou reme. Sa nou ta reme m fe pi bien. Mwah, 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 guys.